The Lincoln Navigator SUV has the ability to tow a boat and other road trip essentials with the available heavy-duty trailer tow package. The towing capacity varies by model. Please be sure to refer to your owner's manual for all applicable weight and load information on your specific vehicle. The Lincoln Navigator also comes with Pro Trailer Backup Assist, which can be an extremely helpful feature while towing. To use, press the center button on the control knob located next to the center display screen. Highlight and select the saved trailer information by using the instrument touchscreen. Choose the trailer you're using. Shift into reverse and follow the prompts on the touchscreen. Remove your hands from the steering wheel and use the control knob to steer the trailer while you control the acceleration and braking. Turn the knob left counterclockwise for the trailer to go left. Turn the knob right clockwise for the trailer to go to the right. Once the trailer is moving in the intended direction, release the knob to continue straight, and the vehicle will follow the path of the trailer. Trailer reverse guidance uses high-resolution cameras to provide multiple views, along with helpful guidance graphics to assist the driver when backing up a trailer. It utilizes the rear view cameras in the liftgate, plus 2 cameras located in the side mirrors to provide multiple views, along with steering guidance graphics to assist in backing and maneuvering a trailer. Side view mirror cameras present views of the trailer that dynamically adjust as the trailer turns. It requires a quick one-time setup of the trailer. Trailer sway control is another feature those who tow will appreciate. It works in conjunction with Advanced Track with roll stability control to detect trailer sway and help reduce it as necessary using the Navigator's braking system. It applies the brakes to the individual vehicle wheels and reduces engine torque to aid vehicle stability. To turn trailer sway control on or off, press Features on the touchscreen. Press Towing. Press trailer sway control on or off. Thank you for watching and have fun out there.